Home Remedies presents.
My grandmother was right. Here's why some people drive iron nails into apples. Is your body lacking iron? Fix it with a natural and easy remedy. In today's video, I would like to share a natural remedy for body iron deficiency. It has worked for many of my patients as well, and so it should work for you as well. It's very simple, easy to do, and very efficient. Conventional iron pills available from pharmacies are not really natural and thus not as effective. More importantly, they sometimes cause constipation. For iron to be absorbed by the human body, it needs to be taken with vitamin C. Why this works? We use old nails and push them into an apple. What happens is that acid in the apple causes a release of iron into the apple flesh, which along with the vitamin C in the apple makes iron digestible by the human body. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to do it. Find about 10 old rusty nails, not galvanized nails. Then clean and sterilize them in boiling water. Push the nails into the apple and place it into the fridge. Next morning, pull them out and eat the apple. Now push the nails into another apple and repeat the process for a few weeks, and you will see the difference. You can see how the apple absorbs iron as along the hole made by the nail, the apple gets darker. However, it does not change its taste. Nature is very clever and powerful. I really would recommend to try this remedy of nail-studded apples if you are suffering from iron deficiency. It is a proven and 100% works.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.